बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हमने स्टार्ट करनी है एक्सरसाइज 8B। बट 8B स्टार्ट करने से पहले हम देखते हैं कि उसमें है क्या जो हमने स्टार्ट करना है। कॉन्ग्रुएंसी हमने डिस्कस कर ली थी। कॉन्ग्रुएंट फिगर्स क्या होते हैं जब उनकी साइज़ सेम होता है और शेप सेम होती है। अब नेक्स्ट हमारे पास टॉपिक है सिमिलरिटी। सो लेट्स डिस्कस व्हाट इज़ सिमिलरिटी। ओके, सिमिलर फिगर्स हमारे पास क्या होते हैं जिनकी शेप सेम होता है बट नॉट नेसेसरी इन साइज उनका छोटा बड़ा हो सकता है बट शेप शुड बी सेम। फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ़ आई एम हैविंग दीज टू पेंसिल, यू कैन से दैट the shape is same but the size is different. This one is a longer pencil and this one is the shorter pencil, so these two are similar but similar की definition is shape is same, size is not same. If we are talking about polygons, so polygons will be similar if all their corresponding angles are equal, but sides, as I told you, because the size will be different, so that means the length of their corresponding size will be different. So how we will say that all the ratio of their length of corresponding sides are equal. Now what do we mean by ratio? I have drawn two different triangles over here. One triangle is ABC and other triangle is DEF. Now can you see that this triangle is a bigger one, this triangle is the smaller one. Their corresponding side, I told you, you have to identify which one is the corresponding side. This you will identify either by the figure or either by the letters ABC. So DEF, on the place of BC there is EF. Their ratio mean, if I will divide, ratio is always mean 2 divided by 1, so the answer is 2. AB, what is AB is 4, what is DE is 2, 4 divided by 2, 2. AC is 6 and DF is 3. So the ratio of all the side is 2, 2 and 2. If it is same, that means common, so then we will say that yes, these two figures are similar figures. Now we will solve some practice now and questions, and then you will understand it clearly. Practice now 5. I have these two triangles. They are saying that ABC is similar to PQR, ABC, and on the other side it's PQR. Okay, first of all you have to see the angles, because they are saying that all the corresponding angle must be equal. They should be equal. So okay, at a point B there is an angle Q that is 90. Okay, they are same. At a point A there is P and it should be 58, and we will check it from the triangle rule because this is 35. So we will check it from the triangle rule. It is 90 plus 35, so the answer is 125. 180 minus 125, it's clearly that it is not 58, it is 55. So that means over here the angle is 55, and can you see that this is 58 and this is 55? That means these two angles are not equal, so we'll say that these two triangles are not similar. They are not similar. Clear? Moving towards its part B. Okay, moving towards next, that is part B, is DEF is similar to STU. Remember that if you will find some difficulty from the figure that which is corresponding to the other one, you can go with the letter. D is corresponding to S. At a point D it is 44, so that means this one is okay. At a point E, there is a point T. At point T this is 36, so that means it should be 36. And the next one is F, and at point F this is U, that means this should be 100. So we have to check that either by all these sum is it 180. So I will check it from here. 44 plus 100, this is 144. 180 minus 144, and the answer is 36. So that means the first condition is true, that all the angle corresponding angle must be same. Now we have to check the corresponding the ratio of the corresponding sides. Okay, DE 12 slanted height, ST 10. 12 divided by 10, and the answer is 1.2. Next one is EF. EF EF and TU. Clear? EF is 8.4 and divided by 7, and the answer is 1.2. Again, next one is DF. You can see that DF, D and F. So over here it is S and U. Clear? Got my point? DF is 7.2 and over here is, what is this? SU, that is 6. 7.2 divided by 6 and the answer is 1.2. That means all the ratios are same. So we'll say that yes, these two triangles are similar to each other. Okay, now how we will find the missing side of one triangle if the side of one other triangle is given. So for that we have, I told you the corresponding ratios must be same. So I have two triangle ABC and on the other side it is DEF. I told you with the example that corresponding side ratios mean if I will divide the side of this side with this side, so the answer from all the sides must be same. So AB by DE, AC by DF and BC by EF is equal to K. K is the number that I will get from all these sides. So in the questions, maybe any two corresponding sides are given and I will get an answer from there, and with the help of that K, I will find the other missing sides. Clear? I will show this with the help of some practice now. Okay, this is practice now 6. You people will say that I'm doing all the questions on book because they are very easy. So there is no need to write something, no calculation is required. So that's why, given that A, B, C, remember that the order you must remember. Whenever we are drawing any quadrilateral or something like that, so their order, we will name this in order like A, B, C. We cannot write A, C, B. It's always in A, B, C. Similarly, P, R, Q. So the corresponding this. Often some students find difficulty in finding the figure. So this is an easy tip. So you can find it from that letters. Clear? Okay. Find the values of unknown. Now it is given that they are similar, so we have to just find out the values of unknown. A is equal to 30. On the position of A, the other number or the other letter is P, so that means over here it is X, so X must be equal to 30. Done. First unknown. Second unknown, I have to find y, while over here it is 2.8 given. So first of all, I have to find the scale factor or the common ratio. Okay, AC. First of all, you have to see that which two corresponding sides are equal. From that two corresponding side, you have to find the scale factor, and after that we will move further. If you are writing AC by QP, AC by QP, AC is 6 and QP is 4. If we will cancel, it's 3 by 2. Or we can further write it as 1.5. Clear? So that means my scale factor is 1.5. Now I have to find the value of y. Always remember that whenever you are moving from small shape to big shape, so you will multiply this scale factor, and if you are moving from big triangle to small triangle, so you will divide. From small to big, if we are going, so we will multiply, and if we are going reverse from big to small, so you will divide. Okay, in this case I have 2.8. QR is 2.8, and I have to find y. So QR will be equal to 2.8 multiply with 1.5, and I will get the answer, and the answer is 4.2. Got my point? Okay, moving towards next question. Given that the quadrilateral ABCD is similar to the quadrilateral PQRS, find the value of unknown of the quadrilateral. Okay, ABCD, and on the other side it is PQRS. So that means it is a rotated one on a position of A. I will write over here A, B, C, D is similar to, and it is given that P, Q, R, S. So it easy for me to identify that. On the position of A over here it is P. So P X, that means X will be equal to 100. Got it? Okay. On the position of C, because you have to find C, over here it is R. R is 60, so that means W is equal to 60. I think it is clear now. Okay, and the angles are fine. What they were saying, now we have to find the value of z and the value of y. So first of all I will see that which corresponding two corresponding sides are given. AB is on the other side, it's PQ, that means 4 and 3 is given. AB divided by PQ, the value of AB is 4 and the value of PQ is 3. So that means my scale factor is 4 by 3. If you want to convert it in decimal, it's your choice. Now I want to find out BC, and over here it is QR. BC and QR. Remember that if you have chosen that the big one will be the numerator or the side of the big one, so you have to follow the same pattern. It's not like that because sometime you will choose like this and the other time you will move with the smaller one on the numerator and the bigger one in the denominator, then your answer will get wrong. So BC divided by QR. The value of BC is unknown, that is why divided by the value of QR is 5.4 and it should be equal to K, and the value of K is 4 by 3. So that means Y is equal to 4 by 3 multiply with 5.4 and the answer is 7.2. Got it? Now we have to find the value of Z. Z is at a position of SP and on the other side it is SP. PS or SP and AD. That means AD. Remember that I told you have to write in order, because from the start I am taking the bigger quadrilateral side as a numerator, so I will follow the same thing. Divided by SP or PS is equal to, it should be 1.3. That is my scale factor. 4 divided by 3 is 1.3. Okay. AD, the value of AD is 6 and the value of PS I have to find, that is Z is equal to 1.3. Now this Z will move on the other side, cross multiplication, and this will come over here. 1.3 is equal to Z and the answer is, the value of Z is 4.5, sorry, 4.5. I hope so. The concept is clear. Now moving towards the exercise. Exercise 8b, question number 1 is given that we have to find the missing angles only in part A and part B, and it is given that ABC is similar to PQR. So I told you from the position, from the letters we can identify. Over here it is B, on the other side it is Q, so that means if B is 90, so that means this X, that means this is 90. X is equal to 90. Got it? Okay. At a position C, over here it is R. C and R. If this is 35, so that means this is also 35. Y is equal to 35. Got it? And next I have to find Z. According to the triangle rules, I will find, that is from this triangle, if I am using 90 plus 35, this is equal to 125, and 180 minus 125, and the answer is 55. So that means Z is equal to 55. Only angles we have to find, no missing sides are there, that means they are not asking about the missing side, so there is no need to find out that. Okay, the next one is A, B, C and P, Q, R. Okay, if I have to find the X, that means X is at R over there it is C, so C and R, that means X is equal to 28. Got it? Okay, if this is 28 and if this is 118, so can I find out this one? If I will find out this one, so this will be equal to that A. So 118 plus 28 is equal to, okay, 118 plus 28 is equal to 146. Now subtract from 180, so the answer is 34. So that means this is 34 at a point P. This is A, so that means angle A is equal to 34. So this is done. Now moving towards part C. Okay, in part C, we have given the sides, and on the other smaller triangle, we have to find that missing side. On this one, the bigger triangle ABC, and on the other side, it is PQR. So, I told you, first of all, you have to find the scale factor or the ratio from the given corresponding two sides AC. Okay, AB, and because PQ, this is given 10 and 6. AB divided by PQ, this is equal to, what is the value of AB? That is 10. What is the value of PQ? That is 6. And the answer from here, it is 1.6. So that means this is our scale factor or the common ratio. Okay, from that AC, because you have to find the other missing side, AC. On the other side, it is PR. So AC divided by PR, the value of AC is 18, and the value of PR, that means we have to find, that is Y. It should be equal to the common ratio, that is 1.6. Cross multiplication, that means Y is equal to 18 divided by 1.6, and the answer is from here the value of PR is 10.8. Moving towards the next one, that is BC and BC from the letters, and on the other side it is QR. BC divided by QR. The value of BC is 12 and the value of QR is X, and it should be equal to the common ratio. Cross multiplication, that means X will be equal to 12 divided by 1.6, and the answer is 7.2. So this is done with our this part. Moving towards the next part. Again, I have a triangle ABC that is similar to triangle PQR. I have to find the missing side. So AB, over here it is PQ. Both the sides are given, so we will again using, it's not necessary that always these two sides are given. You have to identify which two sides are given and from where you can figure out the common ratio. 12 divided by 10. So the answer is 1.2. Now you have to find ACPR. AC divided by PR. This is equal to, what is the value of AC? AC is, we have to find basically X, and PR is given, that is 8, and it should be equal to the common ratio, that is 1.2. It will multiply on the other side, and the value of X will be equal to 1.2 multiply with 8, and the answer is 9.6. Clear? Okay, next we have to find the Y. Y is on position QR. Now QR, you have to remember that it should not be the numerator, because we are using this the side of this triangle as a numerator, so you cannot replace that. If from the starting you are taking the side of this triangle as a numerator, so yes, then you can do. Now I am taking this side, so BC divided by QR is equal to BC is 7, QR we have to find, that is Y centimeter. This is equal to 1.2. Again we will do cross multiplication, so Y will be equal to 7 divided by 1.2, and the answer is 5.83. so this is the value of Y, and this is the value of X. So that is it for today. See you in the next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz.